Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone and the lock. Turn on Bluetooth and location, open the official app, and grant Bluetooth, location, and background permissions so the app can run reliably. Once done, pair the phone to the lock in the app's pairing flow and name the lock for easy identification. This initial pairing establishes the secure key exchange. Make sure the lock's battery and firmware meet minimum requirements so the setup proceeds without interruptions. Next, configure how the unlock behaves and why those choices matter. In the app, pick Automatic Unlock, Tap to Unlock, or require a PIN as fallback. Automatic is convenient, but a PIN adds security. Then enable encryption and set session timeouts so keys expire if stolen. Create device trust rules and optionally add trusted devices. Once set, define guest access windows and enable activity logs so you can audit entries. This prevents Finish by validating the system end-to-end. Test unlocking from your pocket, with the phone screen locked and at various distances. Observe the app notifications and confirm entries appear in the log. If everything works, enroll additional trusted users and teach them the app flow. If you run into issues, first reboot phone and lock, then repair from scratch and check batteries. Most failures trace to low power or a stale pairing. If problems persist, reset the lock and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.